Welcome to Cooking While Drunk. Let's make some pickles. First, let's get pickled. We're going to make a brine. In the pot, we have 4 cups of vinegar. We're going to add 4 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm sorry, salt, not sugar. Put the spurs to it. You're going to heat this up until it melts, and we'll be right back. All of the salt has dissolved. Let's go ahead and fill our jars. I'm going to fill the jars slowly. I don't have a heat-proof funnel. So we're going to fill them up to about a 1/4 inch from the top. Looks like I might have to make some more brine. Alright, so we made enough for these 4 jars. So all you have to do, tap them to get any of the bubbles out and top off as needed. Cap them. Make sure it's tight. I give it a little shake. Let it cool on the table, on the countertop, and I throw them in the fridge. These are called refrigerator pickles. So they're not canned, they're not heat processed, so they will only last about 2 months in the fridge. If you want them to last longer, then you would do a hot water bath. Alright, there you go. Refrigerator pickles. Have a good day. Cheers.